Understanding redundancy. Keeping it simple. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very important topic in the realm of proofreading and editing: understanding wordiness and redundancy. If you've ever written a sentence and wondered if you're repeating yourself or adding unnecessary words, then this lesson is for you. Let's explore redundancy and learn how to eliminate it. Redundancy in language means the inclusion of extra words or information that is not necessary. It happens when we say the same thing more than once in different words. For example, free gift is redundant because a gift is already free. We simply need to say, gift. Another example, return back. To return means to go back, so we only need the word, return. The key point here: redundancy adds unnecessary length and complexity to your sentences. You might wonder, why should I care about redundancy? Well, redundant phrases or sentences. 1. Waste the reader's time. They have to read more without gaining any additional information. 2. Make writing less clear. When you have excess words, your main point can get lost. 3. Sound unprofessional. Especially in formal writing or academic contexts, concise writing is preferred. Remember, clarity and conciseness are the goals. Here are some everyday examples of redundant phrases and their concise alternatives. Advance planning to planning. End result to result. Past history to history. Join together to join. By being aware of such phrases, you can streamline your writing and avoid unnecessary repetition. Here are some actionable tips to help you. 1. Read aloud. Sometimes hearing your words can help you catch repetitions. 2. Ask a friend to review. A fresh set of eyes can spot redundancies that you might have missed. 3. Revise. After writing, take a break and come back with a fresh mindset to review your work. 4. Stay informed. Familiarize yourself with common redundant phrases to be wary of them. The key is to be vigilant and always look for ways to express your ideas as simply and clearly as possible. Redundancy is a common issue in writing, but with a keen eye and practice, you can master the art of concise writing. Remember, clarity is king. We hope this video has shed light on understanding and eliminating redundancy. Happy writing and editing, and see you in the next lesson.